Hey, hello everyone. How all are you? I hope that you all would be doing great in your life. And yeah, as you all can see कि like अब तो ऑलमोस्ट सर्दियाँ ख़त्म ही हो चुकी हैं एंड वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द स्प्रिंग सीजन विच वी लाइक अ लॉट क्योंकि बिकॉज एट दिस टाइम हम सो भी सकते हैं जितना मर्जी लाइक इन द मॉर्निंग like till 8 till 7 we can sleep because these days the nights and the days are totally different. In days you can see भाई सर पे चमक रहा है ये सूरज और in night you can see we just want to wear something woolly, so woolly that even we can wear the that coat which is made up of bear's wool, like that. So apart from all these things, today I just wanted to share with you all that okay. So I just wanted to share that what I realized or what I what to say, like I don't know from where मेरे दिमाग में आया all these things, and I thought that these things which came into my mind really work somewhere. It's that like I was thinking about कि why always like हमेशा लड़कियों को इतना like pain क्यों होता है, why always the girl is there for like experiencing all those pains throughout the life, like so the conclusion which I came on, that is, it's all about that we are so emotional. So being emotional is not is not any problem actually anymore, but being super emotional, being super sensitive, it's really a big problem. Because all the men's and all the boys are so practical, they are so practical even in their life, like they are like they cannot think anything apart from the reality. I think so, because they only think what is there in their life, what is existing here. But what do we actually think what is not in this life. We just think about only those things which is not exactly existing in this life. We sometimes, I actually, when I look at myself, what I do, I imagine कि यार अगर उसने मुझे छोड़ दिया तो ऐसा होगा, अगर अगर ऐसा होता तो ऐसा होता, लाइक वी इमेजिन इफ दिस कुड हैपन, दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन. बट मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचती कि यार ऐसा चल रहा है तो ये होता है. लाइक आई नेवर थिंक कि प्रेजेंट में इफ़ आई हैव बुक, ठीक है, तो मैं उसको पढ़ लूँ. लाइक आई एम गिविंग जस्ट एग्जाम्पल, लाइक इफ आई हैव अ बुक, आई नेवर थॉट, आई विल नेवर थिंक कि ओके ये बुक मेरे पास है एंड और मुझे इसको पढ़ना है. ओके, but I will always think about the future कि if I didn't read this book and I didn't clear the exam, then what will happen, and all those chaos then starts running in our mind. On the contrary, boys always get practical. They just do at the point of time. What will they do? They will just get up, they will just if I'm going through the that book example, तो वो अपनी book उठाएंगे generally and they'll start reading and they won't stop until they don't finish it. But on the opposite side, like we just think. So that shows that girls are so super emotional, and I feel that's the main problem in our life, that boys being so practical because they have to live outside of the house, but girls become more sensitive. They just think अगर ऐसा होता तो ऐसा हो जाता. They just always say कि उन्होंने नहीं करने दिया. They just always say कि मतलब if a girl is married, तो वो हमेशा ही कहेगी कि मेरे husband ने या whosoever मेरे father ने मुझे ये नहीं करने दिया. But she will never go in this way कि क्यों नहीं करने दिया. I had to do. That was my right to study further and to do the job further. So all these things will come only that okay, because girls are sensitive, they are emotional, so they can easily manipulate them. Everyone can easily manipulate them. But on the contrary, if a boy is there, तो उनको फोर्स किया जाता है कि यू हैव टू डू दिस. बट ऑन द अदर साइड, गर्ल्स आर नेवर प्रेशराइज टू डू एनी ऑफ द थिंग एक्सेप्ट मैरिज, एंड आफ्टर मैरिज दे हैव टू बिकम द स्लेव ऑफ द फैमिली or of the whole or of the whole home. So this is the thing. So the the essence of all this video is about that girls are super emotional. They don't go practical. They don't think they are not pragmatic, they are not practical. They think like कि ठीक है, अगर ऐसा है तो they will just go in the random thoughts, they will just go in the dream कि ऐसा हो जाएगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, अगर ऐसा होता है तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. But I think we shouldn't be like this. Girls shouldn't be like this. That's why they are so gloomy. That's why they are so sad. That's why their mood swings depends on other person. And the person could be anyone. It could be mother, father, husband, a boyfriend, anyone. It could be any friend even. कि अगर ऐसा उसने बोल दिया, that's why हम ऐसे हो गए. उसने ऐसा बोला, that's why we got sad. So there is no practicality कि okay उसने कह दिया, that's his point of view, her point of view. We are not like this. We should be practical कि हम तो ऐसे नहीं है. We have that lack of courage कि इस इंसान ने ऐसे कैसे दिया कि you are not looking pretty. किसी इंसान ने कैसे दिया that you are not that much good. किसी ने compare कैसे कर दिया भाई. He did, she did. Then why are you overthinking about it? Why did you take the things on your heart? Because people are there like this. So in this matter boys are so reliable, they are so realistic कि भाई तू भाड़ में जा, say whatever you want to say, I'll do what I want to do. So in this matter that's why boys doesn't get hurt very much. They just normally get hurt when the things get overflown from their mind. When the things goes beyond from their control, then they start thinking, I would say. Before that they don't even think about a single thing कि whatever is happening हो रहा है तो होने दो. Like they just go with the turtle speed, they just go with the tortoise speed. Okay, let it happen, whatever is happening. They just go like around, they just go according to society. You know why? Because boys are they do live in the society. Actually, what does the society means for them? For them the society is the outer environment. For them the society is the environment or the people with whom he stands, because ultimately boys has to go out and they have to make the bond with everyone, because until or unless he won't make the bond तो like he won't get the things, like उसको चीज़ें नहीं पता चलेंगी आगे. And there are lots of things, there are multiple things, like kind of like गाँव में होता है ना, व्यवहार होता है कि हमें उसका लौटाना है, उसको उसने हमें बुलाया था तो हमें भी बुलाना है. All these things generally depends they are, but girls are like okay, they just overthink कि ठीक है ऐसा है वैसा है. Just they are not practical. I would say I'm also a girl. I would also say that I'm not practical. I don't believe what is exactly भाई रखा हुआ है तुम्हारी आंखों के सामने, but you're not believing on that. Like how could you believe this? Like you cannot. I don't know how do I become sometimes like this. I just say why it is. I don't know what is it, but I am trying to be practical, because practical things only can, like they can only be true, they can only be real. Otherwise your khayali pulav, your dreams, your thoughts, your brainstorms, they are nothing. They don't matter a lot for anyone, even for yourself. You are going into the depression only after being emotional, after being sentimental, after being that connected. Girls are like that. They start connecting with the things. Even if it's a small pencil, they'll keep to ourselves. They will keep it to our bag for 10 years, for 20 years, for even for the lifelong. Like they get connected with the things as well. Like this, girls are so emotional, they are so sentimental. So these are the things I would suggest that if you want to feel less pain, if you want to feel happy every day, just forget, just flow with the things, just forget all the things. It's not easy to forget the things, but yeah, you would have to do. You don't have to feel everything. You shouldn't, because if you will start feeling everything, then you will always cry. You are going to cry for the lifetime, for the lifelong. So this is the thing. Be practical, and this is the only solution for not crying, for not feeling hurt, for not feeling that you're all alone, for not feeling that no one is here to take care of you and nothing is there for you in this world. Don't ever feel like this, because don't be emotional, don't be that much sensitive, just to be practical like boys.